Welcome to the Isidore Group. Today we are discussing legacy data migration. Many businesses face this critical hurdle. Outdated systems stifle growth. In fact, 44% of CIOs see legacy systems as major growth barriers. Sebastian Abenanti, president of the Isidore Group, emphasizes the digital age demands adaptability. Legacy data migration unlocks possibilities. Legacy data migration is crucial for modernizing data infrastructure. It ensures data integrity and quality in an evolving digital landscape. Outdated technology and cumbersome processes in legacy systems hinder business operations. A step-by-step guide helps organizations navigate this complex process. It starts with assessing legacy data and defining migration goals. Planning a migration strategy is next, considering cloud migration's long-term benefits. Executing the migration, possibly in stages, minimizes business disruptions. Post-migration testing validates success, ensuring business processes function as expected. Finally, managing legacy data, post-migration, includes archiving and maintaining data quality. Remember, you can read the entire article on the Isidore Group's website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for more insights.